Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the device is unlocked, charged above 20%, and online so settings can sync. Sign in with the exact account, email, and password used for Find My Device. This prevents account lockouts. Once signed in, navigate straight to device settings and open the security or location section. Don't waste time on menus you won't need. This step is crucial because removing tracking requires authenticated access. Make sure two-step prompts are ready and any recovery codes are at hand. Once the device is prepared, go into Settings and turn off Location Services. This immediately stops new location pings. Next, locate Find My Device in Security or Google/Apple settings and toggle it off. You will be asked to re-enter your account password or confirm via biometric. Do this to revoke remote tracking permission. If the device is a corporate or admin-enrolled phone, also remove device admin privileges or unlink any mobile device management profiles, because those can re-enable. To finish, remove the account linked to Find My Device in Account's right arrow Remove Account. This severs the association that allows remote location. Restart the device, then verify location services and Find My Device are inactive by attempting a remote locate. There should be no response. If something blocks removal, check for active MDM or admin profiles and remove them. If you see a credential prompt, re-enter your password or use account recovery. Tip: if removal fails, try removing from the web account management page and then repeat on the device.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.